Exploring the phrases, foot pain. Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be diving into the phrase, foot pain. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how to use it. Foot pain consists of two words, foot and pain. Foot refers to the lower extremity of the leg below the ankle, on which a person stands or walks. Pain means an uncomfortable or distressing feeling in the body, often caused by an injury or illness. When combined, the phrase, foot pain, refers to discomfort or distressing feeling in the foot. This could be due to various reasons such as injuries, wearing uncomfortable shoes, or medical conditions. To understand a phrase, it's often helpful to see it used in context. Let's look at some example sentences. 1. After running the marathon, Jane complained of foot pain. 2. Wearing shoes that don't fit properly can lead to foot pain. 3. He visited the doctor due to persistent foot pain. From these examples, you can see that foot pain describes discomfort in the foot, either from specific activities, incorrect footwear, or medical reasons. Understanding the phrase also means knowing what might cause it. Some common causes of foot pain include sprains or strains, blisters or wounds, plantar fasciitis, inflammation of a band of tissue in the foot, bunions, a bony bump that forms on the joint at the base of your big toe, flat feet. By knowing these causes, you can be more cautious and take preventive measures to avoid foot pain. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of the phrase, foot pain. Remember, it's always essential to wear comfortable footwear, and if you ever experience persistent foot pain, it's a good idea to consult with a medical professional. Stay safe, and keep learning.